Ka Giant Hills Development Society ringkat bat ka jingatrei lang ka KHUBLEI Germany ha ka shitarik jemmang kilayo ban pli asantali ki kamra school ha RCE Secondary School Mihmyntdu. Ya kini ki kamra kelas lapli da ukongsan ujarhat Albert ubadai Presiden ka KHUBLEI Germany haringkat ka jingadan lang Most Reverend Ferdinand Dakar Bishop ka Juwai Diocese Wahesh nong Mihmyntdu ma Abul Pawa Director ka Giant Hills Development Society Father Manbha Pakem kakong APSM Joint Director School Education and Literacy Government of Meghalaya kidukhat jong School Managing Committee na luar kiway. Ujarhat Albert ha ka jingkran ulaya ro ka Giant Hills Development Society ka School Managing Committee ka Balang Catholic Mihmyntdu kinohikai bat baro kibayadan keti ha ka ban penyang ya katika yeng school bat ha ka juk kapor ula kentu ru iki kena school bakin pendan kam hok ya katika shlam a jinghikai na kabenta ka jimantoy jongki kakong APSM ka penpau ka jingsngongo ikinong penya jong school ki bala kedup lalang iki kena ki pasyam jing ha ka jingpuli jongki kalau ong bana kaliang katanat puli puthi kanya le kat bala banya trailang bat ki bor penya jong school bat ban kentiau ya ka shlam a jinghikai Lakban kedo baya ka RCE Secondary School Mihmyntdu laseng na doos nam arjar saw kerpang nakabenta ki kena school ki bawan nakalongyeng badung bat ki bamyo lahat ban puli kum ki waypat ki kena school lapia ha ki arbenta kata ha ka porman step ni morning section bat mensingi ni day section bat bon na ki kena badung ki wan puli ha ka school ha ka porman step bat ki lektre belapan ha ka porman singi ban kershan ya ka yang kasam kumju ru ha ka di section bon nagi kena school ki dei ki brasyak kentat nagi waypat ke school na ka daw ba kimla ban siu yak by school henry lingba ka jingdon jong ka ni ka school kini ki kena ki la yolat pat sashisien ban beteng ya ka jingpuli jongki.
And maybe, Jessica, we could be one of your teachers for dancing. Because this show is so wonderful. And here we see everybody has his talents. And he has special talents. And everybody of you students and all of us, we have all certain talents. And that's our task in our life, to find and use our talents, to practice our talents and go on. And today, well, many come together with many different talents, especially today on the Day of the Worker. In Germany, today is a national holiday, so when the days of the worker, nobody's working. But here we are working, and I think here we can see what work can really create. And we see with you, architect, you have done an excellent work, and all those who helped together from the church and all the different workers. And from my side, I want to thank you very much. You have done this wonderful work here, and for all of us, it is at the same time a good motivation to go on. First of all, I would like to thank Father Manbha, because we are working really 100% together. We can rely each other, we can trust each other. And when we started with KHUBLEI Germany more than 5 years ago, we started already with a very good relation. And one of the first projects, apart from our sponsorships, was that he came and said, we would need some tuition, we would need some help for the school. And at first, I was not here. I just heard his words about a school where we would need some money, some support. So I tried to find people to support us regularly, because if we just do it 1 month or 2 months, it will not be enough. So we have to do more. And we worked hard on it to find them regular payments or people who would support this school. And then I came here in 22, and I had the privilege to know Tina, and it was very motivating for me. She showed us around here in the school, all the classrooms, and it was very touching. And when I went back, I thought, and I said to our friends, yes, we have to do it, and we have to support our children. It was a special event now for me when Father Manbha told me that 100% had passed. and we told as well, and we tell as well our friends in Germany. So it's a perfect motivation in Germany to support more and to do more. And one of the big successes after having inaugurated Muralong last year, when Father Hilarius came and he said, oh, we will need some help for RCE. And I thought, oh good God, what can we do now? We just had worked hard to build the school in Muralong. You know, it was a huge effort. And then Father Hilarius came, we need as well help. And as you said, Father Mampa, we came together with the committee, young, and we sat together, and really within a very short time, we got good documents and really a good support and good plans. And so we could apply for this money. And we finally got the decision after several months of praying and waiting. And so we are here today on this very happy day, even when outside the sun is not shining, but at least we get a blessing from God in form of holy water today. And so I'm really happy to be here. And to you students, I want to ask you now, as you have got new rooms, as you have got a wonderful school with the ghost, with the soul of Contina inside, you should now it's your turn to pull forward, to push forward. Your teachers cannot learn for you. They only teach you, they can guide you what to do in your life. And now it's your turn to go on. You don't learn for your teachers. You don't learn for the school. You don't learn for your parents. You learn for yourself. And so, even when you are underprivileged, you have the privilege to be here. And that is a good thing. And so you should learn for yourself, for your life. And if you take your chance with your talents, we just have seen wonderful talents in dancing and with all day star. So you please do it as well. You have everybody who has talents. Nobody is really lost. You're only lost when you don't believe in yourself. We have our good God to protect us, but you have yourself as well. Everybody has talents. And please make best use out of your talents, then you will be successful. You have to get up to raise one more, only once more, then you're fallen down. If you fall down and stay there where you are, you will be lost. Nobody will come and lift you up. You have to do it yourself, and you can do it. Everybody has the ability to go forward, to work hard in the life. And if I have, and you have just seen it in the School of the Blinds, they are very limited in their sight, but they have fantastic other abilities. So everybody of us has good abilities. And I want to invite you and to push you to keep up going forward, to raise up when you are falling down. Only when you get up once more than you are falling down, you will be successful in your life. And I wish you all the best for your future with wonderful teachers. I got to know them, all of them, with good mathematics and with everything. And you do your way, please. And then you will be successful in your life. KHUBLEI Germany.
It has always been my dream to come and visit this school. Long time back, when Madam Tina, the late Madam Tina, came and met me in my office. And also Father Lamre, he also came and briefed me about this school. My heart was so happy that I said one day I will definitely come and visit the school. If I have the time, I would like to come and visit, especially during this session. during the session where they have the evening school and also during the day session in order to interact with the students. But because of time constraint, I was not able to do so. But I thank God today I am able to be here with all of you. Thanks to the KHUBLEI Germany for making this day and for making me be a part of this day. As we have already heard from the history of the school, it is a huge and a tremendous appreciation from the education department that the community, the church and the community have come up with this establishment in order to impart education to the students, especially to the less privileged students of this area.
Hai Choblai dari Samu Batam Jona sedang burung yo lambagan di kon yomi di Tunaskur. It is said like this: when wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. And when character is lost, everything is lost. Em bikin em ujo stand your head to do panam to ang hawadu ini ya raspat kau mendu ini dah kau yo biar ya yo ini dah itu kau yo ini hendak mendu ya bikin kau dikia ini mendu dikejar cutom saja hendak ham Pala cucu, lalu yang jinglong yang ini, jinglong obhai ini, everything is lost. Mentor ustaz ni, mentor pawang kami, nampak ni jinglong obhai. So with grateful hearts, we turn our hearts to God for His blessing through the Diocese of Bamberg, for which our President KHUBLEI Germany Albert Gerhard, Padaman Maha and myself last year in the month of September, we all three said, let us go to Bamberg. Seeing the need, quite easy to come young key, become young gani the town, young gani the slum, you could do the town. Or we be nine, you don't come to that, Pershangi, and KHUBLEI Nah kita juga ada society yang dipulai, KHUBLEI ini bakal mulai cara diocese buat cak ini form yang ketiga society KHUBLEI yang diharap ini kamu orang dalam hane kamu orang kiwi wa ketiga lah yang lain 6M berjalan orang serpedik for kerjaan ini wa jingiarap sedang mengadu Islam kejingan yang ini for Germany nada di Diocese Bamberg wa pada Hoffel Müller manu kami yang dari Archdiocese but MH hari dibinai Minister HMD kepada Manha but Albert Gerhard Archbishop Borim Archbishop Ludwig Angkatan Thymmai Archbishop Herwig Wadang Rapuru Palat Banjana tempat ini dalam enam payarap dan ini Nagutara Diocese IWM hari hinggunan. I believe our visit last time today we reap the fruit. Though we really appreciate on behalf of our faithful Sir Gerhard, Uli, Monica as our we can say our brothers and sisters who have the feeling, who have the love as one mind, one heart to raise our people to break the barrier of from illiteracy to literate and from darkness to light as we have been hearing just now. One of those who give a testimony, this changed my life and break the barrier. To the last girl who gave the testimony, I was touched and I hope she believed that word also Rangai ajan itu juga mereka dari kejiwan lasul juga banbian sesul atau katakanlah open job dia kata jingiarap kata jingiarap na kejiwan nang tip kata nang tip bab na kata jingiarap kata jingiarap. Thank you Kalabunhan for being representing us all these past months till date for the successful together with the Father Hilarius and the parishioners, especially with these local committees from here, SMC teachers who cooperated so well, and now we have 5 classrooms ready for our poor children. May God continue to bless us and our aspiration and our vision, our dream come true through many good and generous people like you all.